In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync OneDrive on your desktop with our comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you need to manage your bandwidth or perhaps you're simply looking for a temporary pause in syncing, this guide will walk you through every step to make that process seamless. First off, let's begin by locating the OneDrive cloud icon. You'll find it situated in the taskbar if you're using Windows or in the menu bar if you're on a Mac. This little cloud icon is your gateway to all the OneDrive features and settings you'll need. Once you've located and clicked on this icon, you'll find a series of options. The next move is to select Help and Settings, which will then present you with the option labeled Pause Syncing. Here, you have a choice of how long you want to pause the OneDrive syncing for. Perhaps you're about to have a long gaming session, or maybe you're conserving your internet bandwidth for hours of work from home productivity. Whatever your situation, you can choose to pause the syncing for 2 hours, 8 hours, or even a full 24 hours. This flexibility allows you to tailor the syncing pause based on your unique needs and schedule. Once you've made your selection, OneDrive will pause its syncing activities for the duration you've selected. This will greatly help if you're encountering periods where low bandwidth is a concern or your system performance needs a temporary boost without the background syncing process. It provides the adaptability needed for those moments when your internet resources are better directed elsewhere. On the other hand, if your circumstances change and you need to resume syncing, there's no fuss involved. Just return to the OneDrive icon and you'll notice the option to resume syncing. Clicking this will restart the syncing process, allowing you to return to the regular functionality with ease. This feature is particularly handy if your initial sync pause was only intended for a short disruption, such as during a meeting or downloading large files. This method of pausing and resuming syncing makes OneDrive an incredibly efficient tool for managing your desktop's cloud activities. You get the best of both worlds, a robust cloud service when you need it, and freedom from background activities when you don't. With this, you can always prioritize what's important at any given moment without sacrificing OneDrive's integration on your desktop. Perfect for those times when gaming or streaming needs that extra bit of bandwidth and system resources, or simply when you want a quieter environment without the constant syncing updates. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes managing your OneDrive sync options a breeze. Remember, these settings are here to give you control over your desktop background processes, ensuring they align perfectly with your everyday tech needs. Thanks for watching, and until